Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can use Facebook Messenger in the Google Chrome app. So first of all, update your Facebook Messenger app. Now go to the Messenger app right here. Now click on the profile link on the top left corner that you see. Click on it. Now scroll down till you see the username under profile. Click on the username. Okay, you will see two options, that is edit username and the copy link. Click on the copy link. So that is your Messenger profile link. Now go to the Chrome app just like this. So there is a chance that your Messenger may not be working correctly. However, you can simply copy the profile link of the Messenger. Now go here and open a new tab just like this and type the web address here that you copied. Click on paste. Now open it, click on go. Now it will take some time. Okay, so first of all, click on the three dots that you see on the top right corner just like this and click on the desktop site option. Now again paste it here. Now you'll see that it is opening messenger.com by login. So it is asking for the login. Now I am going to continue as my name, that is Satyendra Pandey. Now it will ask again, open with Messenger, Chrome or whatever. Now you need to click on Chrome. Now wait for it to load. Now as you can see, it is loading and it will load the Messenger screen on your Google Chrome app. So that's how you can manage it from here. All the messages, then there are settings, options and all that. Now after that, after using it, in order to log it out, click on your profile icon that you see on the top left, that is here beside chats. Click here. Now it will open some settings. Now you need to click on log out at the bottom. So after using it, please log it out. So thanks for watching the video. Please like it, share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips on Messenger. Thank you.